Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step process to register for JAMB 2026. If you are yet to be subscribed to the channel, do so now because we have loads of materials for you that will help you beat 300 and above for this year UTME exam. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is to create a JAMB profile. For this, you will need a valid email address or a phone number. If you have registered for JAMB before, you need to ensure that you are not using the same email address this time. Now ensure that you have those beside you, then head on to jamb.gov.ng. On JAMB website, you would need to create a profile. You would use that email address and phone number to create a profile. JAMB will send you a code to either your email or your phone number, with which you would enter again into the website to activate your profile. Then the next thing you need to do is to purchase a JAMB registration pin. After payment at the JAMB approved center or at the agent center, you will be issued a unique pin with which you will use to begin your registration process. The third step is to log in to your JAMB profile. Go back to JAMB website, remember the link, and enter your email and your password to get logged in. Alright, the fourth thing you need to do is to complete the registration form. For this, you will need to enter your personal details. You want to fill in your name, your gender, date of birth, your nationality. You will also need to input your subject combination. For example, if you are studying medicine, your 4 subjects for that medicine course, you need to input it there. And then you will choose your examination term. Fifth thing you need to do is to upload your documents and your passport photograph. Other documents might be your O-level results. After doing all this, the next thing is to choose a center and a day. During registration, you will be asked to select the preferred exam center. Ensure that the center is close to you and can accommodate your schedule. You can also choose a date for your exam during this registration. Next, you have to make payments. You pay for the registration. After filling all the necessary details, you will be directed to make your payment online on the JAMB portal. Payment can be made through ATM, card, bank transfer. The costs of registration will include your exam fee and other services like mock CBT practice. After you're done making your payment, you can print your payment slip. After payment, your biometric information, which basically is your fingerprint and the capture of your face, your photo capture, will be required. You go to the nearest JAMB CBT registration center for the biometric capturing. Ensure you carry along your payment receipt and your NIN, which is your national ID card or your passport for identification. Once all this is done, then it's time to print your examination slip. Although this will take about 2 weeks after registration for you to be able to print your JAMB examination slip. After you've done this, you're set for the JAMB examination. What next is to prepare maximally for this examination. You need to study for this exam by using a lot of past questions, textbook, and online resources to help you prepare maximally. Don't forget to study within the JAMB syllabus. I've made a video on that in the channel. You can also see the link connected to this video. Then practice on CBT platform. Like I've often said, JAMB will often repeat all these questions. Most of the time, 70% of your questions are from the past 10 to 15 years. So go ahead to platforms, verifiable platforms like AllCBT YouTube page, where you can at least study 1 video per day